Do you know each other? No? Right. So, the first thing we need to know, one of the reasons for doing these things, these get-togethers, is for you to get to know people from other parts, are you all from Montevideo?
Yes.
No,
right.
There are some people from Maldonado.
Ah, right. Well, there you are. And therefore, the idea is to get to know people not from who you don't meet in the staff room every day. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, I had more or less dismembered this this organization, but then, of course, it got a bit worse than it looked. But theoretically, we should have sort of, groups of 3, okay? So at the count of 3, you stand up, you walk around, and you find 2 more people who you don't know in this room, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Off we go. You have to make sure that you don't know each other. You have to make sure. Yes. Okay, come over. Yes, yes. You have to make sure that you don't know each other. Okay, just sit down. Now, I have a thing that I always mention, that bags seem to take more place than people. Don't you find that? You can sit down on top of the bag if it's necessary, or put it on the floor. No, you're not supposed to put it on the floor, everybody says. I leave it on the floor all the time. But they say your money goes away. They would say that to me in Mexico all the time. People would come and desperately, you don't want to go with them? Yes. Okay, come on, you left them alone. Oh. Well, you're going to get a stiff neck. No. What about, okay, moving a bit backwards or forwards or to the other? That looks more like the idea. Okay. Right. So, if you don't know each other, what's the first thing you think you should do? Right. Bingo. Got it right. So, first thing, get to know each other. Get to know your names and get to know things. And try and see if you have things in common, right? That you teach, similar classes, that kind of stuff. Okay? Okay. We're going to be a bit short for time today, but anyway, let's say 3 minutes. Okay? Ready, steady, go.
Okay. Have you already I'm sorry.
So I have been teaching for a long time. I'm still studying myself as a teacher. Yesterday I had a midterm examination.
Yes. I'm the only foreigner here.
I teach from 3 and 4 primary school. First and secondary, high school.
And where are you studying? What are you studying? Are you studying a degree or are you studying?
I did like online English and Pablo. Then I started a cert that is similar to IPA. It was quite a mess. We didn't have teachers enough and everything was messy. So I I'm really sad because now I have started at IF3, we call it, the Instituto de Formación Docente, and it's a sort of certificate primary, yes, for teachers like in English. And we have didactics and language. And I also sat for my TKT exam. I have only 1, 2, and 3, and I also sat for clean and CLIL and EAL. And I like them because now I'm working with SMART and it has like a lot of skill, and I have been using all the techniques. It's nice to know that you can take what you have learned and practice.
Okay. My name is Sara. I used to be a teacher for quite a long time. So now I started
If you think that probably
I travel a little bit. Well, right now I'm traveling in the office,
Spanish to 1. No, from 9 to 1.
What do we have in common? We're all teachers. So we have I used to teach mostly adolescents, and you teach children.
Yes, once I try to help like now, when I have to repeat questions, like, okay, sorry, but I can stop what you said. So I realized I'm too young to teach. I feel like part of the respect of the education is like more I'm playing against her because I say, okay, sorry, but it's not like I used to apologize. It was weird.
What else do we have in common?
In the book, Richmond,
I use bars and I love it.
something you have in
That's something
common.
we have in common.
And that's it.
Okay, time's up.
I'm trying to take technology into my
Sorry about my
step
hands,
by
We have in
step.
common.
in the sense that it keeps coming down like that, but it's not that I don't want to see you, it's just that I don't know why it does it. I think my head has shrunk. Okay, so tell me, anything that you found out that you had in common? Like what? You're going to tell me that you're all teachers. Right, so, like what?
We started talking about some difficulties young learners have with the handwriting and when reading books.
Uh-huh. And you have that in common?
Yes. We found
Okay.
it was difficult.
Difficulties? Right, because what I do is I write this and then I send it to you by email and you can have it and you'll be able to watch the videos on YouTube as well. Difficulties children have when you said
When reading and writing, when the handwriting is not in capital letters. For example, in Kinder 5, we've got problems
yes.
when they want to read something and they can't because letters are